Just went through our first investigative session. This is our little debriefing to find out what everybody picked up on. What was kind of interesting is back there's a little grave and it says Teddy. And possibly it's a dog or a cat or whatever. And Deanna picked up on an animal spirit and she saw a flash of light around that shed. And I did get an EVP and it sounds like a man saying, here. So it's just very unusual. I don't know. And also, too, I used the dowsing rods and pointed to the bedroom. And the EVP says, yeah. So I'm going to interview all the investigators, see what they got on the first investigative session. Angela, you can start first.
Well, I got a lot of orb activity. These orbs, there's a lot of colorful orbs. These orbs are very large in size. There's a lot of large ones comparatively to smaller ones, and I believe that those are energy that just consumes other energies or emotions, so they're pretty fat.
Can you do me a favor, Angela? I did see the orb activity, and I've seen some of the orb activity on their videos, the homeowners, and it's really interesting. Can you have Peter place his hand on the wall and take pictures and tell the entity to appear by his hand? If you can show the orb is by his hand.
We got some footage of that already.
Well,
Yeah?
we actually tried that.
Okay.
Because I usually do it at my house. Like, I'll hold my hand up and I'll call them to me. And I usually get some pretty good.
Okay, yeah, if we can show that it has some kind of intelligence to it.
Yeah. I've tried to debunk it so many times.
The cat tried to get in there.
But these are different colors. I don't really see too many different color orbs or like big fat orbs like this. It's just a whole lot of collective energies, a lot of, collected people, in one space, and it's calling and just like bringing so much like at once, and then tying in with the elemental energy.
Right.
It's just gonna set it off.
Okay. Julie? Did you get any EVPs? I know I saw you trying. Okay.
Not yet.
Not yet.
But I've
Okay.
seen all the orbs in the hallway back there.
Okay.
A lot of them.
Okay. Peter, anything? No. Okay.
We're just taking it in.
Okay.
Are
And
you showing me?
yeah. So, what were you picking up on? You did a walkthrough. So
Yeah.
what happened?
Okay. First of all, usually when I see portals in places, it's like in the mirrors, or like in the dream catchers, or like in the corners up tall. And for some reason, like in some of the closets, like down low, I see like animal portals, like where animal spirits come through. Not just spirits of deceased animals, but also magical, familiar type creatures, spirit animal, guardians, like just all type of animals. Like even when we were in that garage, I saw like a snow leopard around here. Like just like snakes, cats, anything you can think of. I just keep seeing random animals coming through portals. They're magical animals. And I feel like every room I went into was like a dimensional shift. In every way that you approach the room, like if you approach it from the east or the north or the west, it all changes. Where did that Sandra?
Yeah.
She said that this is like a spiritual crossroads. I could believe that because it does seem like there's a lot of spirits crossing through here, through portals and everything. And I totally believe that is what's going on. It's almost like we're floating in outer space. This is how I literally felt. We're floating in outer space, and it just seems like there's like a lawn out there and like trees out there and everything, but we're actually in a galactic place right now. And like whatever way you approach the outdoors, it opens up different energies. So if I come from that way, from the east or whatever, it's just different energies.
Like a giant terrarium.
Yeah. Like I don't know how else to explain.
Okay.
And then everything's just shifting and shaping through the dimensions and time shifting.
Okay.
So that's how I feel.
That's what I feel like it's like a jump point or an end point.
Yeah.
So there's a lot of like interlopers.
Okay, so we're gonna go ahead, on our second round, explore the whole house, try to get some intelligent movement on the orbs if we can, and let's try to get some EVPs and see what happens. Okay.